Hello guys, welcome to this second lecture, second lesson. Today we are going to learn Photoshop from start. So open your Photoshop. We will learn some tool, first four tools of this, like there is move tool, there is marquee tool, and here is the selection tool and quick selection tool. So without wasting time, first we have go to new file. New file, first of all give name to file, like whatever you want to give. I am going to give my name Harun here. Okay, so here set width, height, resolution of the picture. 300 is the best resolution we can use, and RGB mode is the best mode we can use. Let me show you how. And transparent background, use the transparent background if you are going to make some the object. Press OK. Let me show you difference between modes. These are the modes, like RGB mode, CMYK mode, index mode, and the gray cycle mode, bitmap mode. This is the best RGB we are going to use. So go to your file. So selection tool, what we select, we have some objects which we have to move, so we need a file here. Go to place, select a file. Here I select a file, press enter. So this what move tool, and move tool move it around the screen, and also use to change the shape of picture, like whatever you want. Press shift and it will increase or decrease the size, but do not change the shape of picture, which is quite good. Place it, and here we have. So move tool basically move it around. So if we want to make changes in this picture, we can't make directly. First of all, we have to rasterize the layer. When we rasterize the layer, after this we can change. Okay, if I convert it to the smart object, then I will not make any change, like the smart object need to be rasterized for proceeding. So we just need to go and rasterize the layer here. So this is our move tool. After this we are going to use these two, rectangular mercury tool and all these tools. What rectangular mercury tool done, this delete the selected area from the picture, like this. I select this area and press delete on the keyboard, and here we remove this. If we want to deselect this area now, Control D, and this area is deselected. Control, and also use this. This is what we can do this tool. So if you want to undo, here is the undo step. Undo, step forward, step backward. If we are going to step forward, then it will show what we step. Shift Control Z is this shortcut to step forward. If you want to go step backward, Control Alt and Z is the short key to go backward. Here Control D deselect, and we have our picture like it was before. This is what the Eclipse tool done. This also made this, like Control Shift D and Control D. So this is not much important tool, but we can use it some places. So what is new and this tool? This is the polygon lasso tool. So this is the lasso, polygon lasso, and the magnetic lasso. First of all, I am going to show you how to use lasso tool, simple lasso. It select the area like you draw, like sketch something. It will select this like this. This is selected area. When I delete, it is deleted. This is what lasso tool do. Then polygon lasso tool. Polygon lasso tool make polygon curve like whatever you want to make shape and delete it from the picture. Here, this is selected, Control D Z, and this is deleted. This is the work of lasso tool. Now Control D select. What is next? Next we have polygon lasso tool. We have just learned, and now we have magnetic lasso tool. This is the best tool. Now let me show you. Just you have to click on the one and then just go up, and it will automatically select the area with the same color. This is the best lasso tool, like this and here. So we have selected area, we can delete it, and look, we have just deleted. Control D. If you want to delete this area, you need polygon tool. This delete. Control Z. Now I am using the scroll button to zoom in, but you can use your touchpad to move down and move up, not any button. Okay, this is what. Now Control D select, Control Shift Z, and I am going to need my picture as it was. So magnetic lasso tool is done. Now we have next is quick selection tool. What this tool done, let me show you. We have three options here. First is make selection, second is add selection, subtract selection. We also give it to shape, size, whatever we want, and we can also increase hardness and spacing, etc, whatever you want. So what this tool done, you simply have to click on the same color, you just have to move it on the same color, and it will select the all area outside the selection. And when you delete, look, this is deleted. Background, how easily we can remove background from this. Now select Control D and Control Shift Z up and back to the normal picture. What is our next tool? Our next tool is Magic Wand tool. You just have to click on this, and this is selected. This and this color, this select same color in seconds. This is the best tool to remove background of same color. So Control D and this and Control D. So look, this is deleted. Control D, we have no background on this picture. Control Z. So this is what lasso tool done. Control Z. Our fifth tool is crop tool. What crop tool done? It basically crop the picture to size whatever you want. We just cropping it according to the size of picture and press enter. This is done. This is what crop tool done. So we have learned 5 tools today. I will show you how to use next tool in the next lecture. For this lecture it is enough. So So just remove the background and Ctrl D and this, done. Enough. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video if you like, and if you want to ask something, just comment in and I will reply. See you in the next lecture.